If you're living with diabetes, chances are you've experienced nights disrupted by frequent trips to the bathroom. It's truly exhausting. But here's a question worth considering. Is it really just about drinking too much water before bed, or could the real issue be what you're eating? Especially when it comes to protein. Hi there, I'm Dr. Mike, and I'm really glad you've taken a few minutes out of your day to join me. Today, we're diving into something that doesn't get talked about enough, yet affects millions of people every single night: frequent urination during sleep. It might seem like just a minor inconvenience, but in reality, it can seriously disrupt your rest, your energy, and even your overall health. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's how you become part of a growing community focused on natural, long-term health solutions. And just tapping the like button helps this video reach others who are searching for answers just like you. I truly love hearing from you. So take a second and drop a comment below. Let me know where you're tuning in from, and have you ever wondered why you keep waking up multiple times a night just to go to the bathroom? Let's get to the root of it, and more importantly, let's talk about what you can do to finally fix it. Many people don't realize that the type of protein you eat, and when you eat it, can have a major impact on how your kidneys, bladder, and blood sugar function while you sleep. Think about it. Your body doesn't shut down at night. It's still filtering, digesting, and regulating hormones, and certain proteins can support those processes, while others might add extra strain. In this video, we'll explore 5 specific types of protein that go far beyond basic nutrition. Each one is backed by science, proven to support blood sugar control, preserve lean muscle, and, most importantly, calm an overactive bladder during the night. By the end of this video, you might realize that managing nighttime urination doesn't have to start with a prescription. Sometimes, it starts with dinner. Let's dive in. Let's start with something simple, but surprisingly powerful: Greek yogurt. What makes it special? It's packed with casein, a slow-digesting protein that steadily releases amino acids over several hours. That means when you eat it before bed, it helps keep your blood sugar more stable throughout the night, a crucial benefit for anyone managing diabetes. Stable glucose means your kidneys aren't forced to overwork to flush out excess sugar through urine, a process called osmotic diuresis, one of the main drivers of nighttime urination. But Greek yogurt doesn't stop there. It also delivers live probiotics, which support gut health and, by extension, improve insulin sensitivity and reduce systemic inflammation. To maximize the benefits, go for full-fat, plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt with at least 15 grams of protein per serving. Look for live and active cultures on the label. That's how you know the probiotics are still effective. Mix it with a pinch of cinnamon, a few crushed walnuts, or low-sugar fruits like raspberries or cucumber slices for a well-balanced, blood sugar-friendly snack. Prefer something warm at night? Try gently heating half a cup of yogurt with turmeric, ginger, and black pepper. It's not only soothing but also brings anti-inflammatory support to your evening routine. Just remember, 6 to 8 ounces is enough. More than that could strain the kidneys, especially if you have early-stage diabetic nephropathy. Greek yogurt is more than a snack, it's a strategic tool that works while you rest. Now let's talk about a food that's often underestimated: eggs. Simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. What makes eggs stand out isn't just their versatility, it's the fact that they're a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, a key player in boosting insulin sensitivity. This matters because better insulin response means better glucose control, and when blood sugar stays steady, the kidneys don't have to work overtime to filter excess glucose overnight. That's one way eggs can help reduce those 2 a.m. bathroom wake-ups. But there's more. Eggs are known for their high satiety index. In other words, they keep you full longer. That fullness can curb late-night snacking, which often leads to blood sugar spikes and crashes, a major trigger for nocturnal urination in people with diabetes. The type of eggs you choose also matters. Organic, pasture-raised eggs contain more omega-3 fatty acids, which support hormone balance and reduce inflammation, both of which are closely tied to better sleep quality and metabolic health. A simple dinner of 2 boiled or poached eggs, served with leafy greens and a splash of vinegar, is an excellent evening option. The vinegar helps blunt glucose response, while the meal provides lasting satisfaction without overload. And if you've worried about cholesterol, modern science shows that, for most people, eggs don't significantly raise blood cholesterol levels when eaten in moderation. So don't underestimate the humble egg. It's a compact, nutrient-rich tool for stabilizing blood sugar, calming hunger hormones, and helping your body rest, not react. Now, what if you don't feel like eating a full meal at night, but you still want something that supports your blood sugar and helps you sleep more soundly? That's where whey protein isolate comes in. It's a fast-absorbing protein that delivers essential amino acids quickly after dinner, helping regulate insulin activity and stabilize glucose levels before bed. Why does that matter? Because when blood sugar spikes in the evening, which can happen after carb-heavy dinners or even emotional stress, your kidneys go into overdrive trying to flush out the excess glucose. That process is a major trigger for nighttime urination. Whey isolate helps calm that spike and reduce the load on your kidneys, which means fewer bathroom interruptions. What makes whey isolate different from other protein powders? First, it's low in lactose and carbs, making it ideal for people with diabetes or those who are sensitive to dairy. Second, it's highly refined, but that's a good thing here, as it contains minimal additives and offers clean, concentrated protein. When shopping, always look for whey protein isolate on the label, not whey concentrate or protein blend. Choose a product with no added sugars or artificial sweeteners like aspartame or sucralose. Bonus points if it's been third-party tested by NSF or Informed Choice. Those certifications ensure purity and quality. For a simple nighttime shake, mix 1 scoop of whey isolate, about 25 grams, with 8 ounces of unsweetened almond milk. Add ground flaxseed, a pinch of cinnamon, or even a small slice of avocado for extra fiber and healthy fats. You can serve it cold as a smoothie or warm it slightly for a cozy, sleep-friendly drink. Just 1 scoop is enough. More isn't better. Especially at night, too much protein can burden the kidneys or cause digestive stress. Used consistently, though, whey isolate can support better A1C levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and help you wake up feeling rested, not interrupted. It's fast, it's clean, and it works. Still think plant-based proteins can support your nighttime routine? Think again. Tofu may just be one of the most overlooked tools for managing blood sugar and reducing nighttime bathroom trips, especially if you're looking for a dairy-free option. Tofu is a complete protein made from soybeans, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids. What's more, soy contains natural isoflavones, plant compounds that help support hormone balance, reduce inflammation, and improve insulin sensitivity. For people with diabetes, this combination makes tofu a metabolic ally. Unlike animal proteins, tofu is lighter on digestion and less taxing on the kidneys, a key benefit for nighttime use. A moderate portion at dinner helps regulate post-meal glucose levels and sustains satiety, minimizing late-night cravings and glucose swings. Choose organic, non-GMO tofu, preferably sprouted if available, as it enhances nutrient absorption. Stir-fry it gently with vegetables and olive oil, or add it to a warm miso soup for a comforting, low-glycemic evening meal. Tofu also pairs well with turmeric, garlic, or tamari for added flavor and anti-inflammatory benefits. It's simple, satisfying, and plant-powered. A smart way to nourish your body before bed without overloading it. What if a protein-rich snack could actually help you sleep better? Not just eat better? That's where cottage cheese earns its place in the nighttime lineup. It's rich in casein, like Greek yogurt, which digests slowly and delivers a steady stream of amino acids overnight. But cottage cheese also contains tryptophan, a natural precursor to serotonin and melatonin, key players in sleep regulation and mood stability. Combined with its low glycemic load, this makes cottage cheese a dual-function food. It helps you stay asleep and helps your body repair during sleep. It's particularly valuable for older adults or anyone dealing with muscle loss, as it protects lean mass while keeping blood sugar in check. Studies have shown that consuming casein-based proteins like cottage cheese before bed can reduce nighttime cortisol levels, the stress hormone that often disrupts rest and glucose control. Choose a low-sodium, full-fat version with no added sugars. Aim for a 1/2 cup serving. and enhance it with cinnamon, chia seeds, or sliced almonds. Avoid flavored versions, which often include hidden sugars that undermine the benefits. So next time you're looking for a bedtime snack that works with your metabolism, not against it, reach for cottage cheese. It's creamy, nutrient-dense, and deeply restorative. Let's take a moment to review what we've covered today. Just 5 simple sources of protein: Greek yogurt, eggs, whey isolate, lentils, and salmon, each with its own unique, science-backed mechanism to help reduce nighttime urination, regulate blood sugar, and support better sleep. And the best part? They're all accessible and diabetes-friendly. What's truly powerful is this: you don't need a complete diet overhaul or expensive treatments. Sometimes, it's the small, consistent choices made in the evening, like choosing the right kind of protein, that create the biggest impact on your sleep and long-term blood sugar control. If this video brought you value, sparked a new idea, or gave you hope for better nights ahead, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. We'll continue bringing you practical, science-based strategies to support your health in the most realistic and sustainable ways. Because lasting health doesn't come from doing more, it comes from doing the right things consistently. One smart evening choice, 5 powerful proteins, a better, more restful night, starting now.